When I found out, thought I would die because that lullaby was mine. I heard he sealed it with a kiss. He gently kissed her cherry lips. I found that so hard to believe because his kiss belonged to me. How could an angel break my heart? Why didn't he catch my falling star? I wish I didn't wish so hard. Baby, I wished our love apart. How could an angel break my heart? How could an angel break my heart? Why didn't he catch my falling star? I wish I didn't wish so hard. Maybe I wished our love apart. How could an angel break my heart?
All right, let us hear from our judges. Anthony.
Well, I mean, just based on what we've heard before, maybe I'd give you more of a bly. I think you seized the moment. I think there was something interesting about you. You're statuesque. You vocally, you managed it. It was okay. It wasn't thrilling. But I like how you came across. And I think people out there watching might like that too.
Conroy.
Package good, arrangement good, connection good, key on key. It was really nice. I really liked it. It was suave and sweet and nice and compelling and pulling in. It was nice. I liked it.
Alaine.
Yes, Jasmine, first of all that jazz, yes! So here you are standing there with the microphone and pulling us all in, and increasingly the audience kept saying, yes, jeez, McCall, what is? And people start touch them body, and because the ghost pimple them, because the things you were doing with your voice were special. So you took us through twists and turns, and it was nice, and I believe that the drunk crow break your heart. And I said, don't call him an angel, him is a drunk crow. But what I want you to do though, there was a part of the song that I wanted you to power through, and it kind of was a little shaky, but it's fine because Nerves and it's the first show, and there's more from you, and I know that people are going to fall in love with all that jazz.
Oh, thanks, judges. If you don't want to break Jasmine's heart, all you have to do is vote. Text the word vote to 444-5504 or call 444-5504. Thank you, Jasmine.